channel. It's Riri Live. Thank y'all for tuning in. If you here again, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can always keep up with me. Thank you. So today is New Wig Wednesday, and as you can see, I have that wig that I reviewed last week. I am just doing an update this Wednesday on this wig. So I'm in the process of laying it back down. Let's get started. I'm pretty much not going to talk. This process you guys already know.
This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam. Woo! This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam.
Excuse my nail, y'all. It broke. I told you I did my nails myself, but my nail broke. So excuse it. I'm finna take these off because I'm getting my nails done Sunday anyway, so.
They call me Miss Cookie, Cookie, like quack. Miss Calculator when I'm counting them racks. Miss Halle Berry when we looking like Babs. Duck, bitch, this beat slaps. Bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, give me my wig, 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 give me. I am the queen and that's for real. I am a master fucking deal. Put on your nails and hips and heels, cause we about to come through. I am the baddest bitch I know. I put the pussy on the floor. And if they came to see a show me what you gonna do. They call me Diva, and I might call back. Call me Miss Hall if you're nasty like that. I don't know how many edges I snatch. Stop! Bring the beat back, bitch. Get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch. Get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch. Get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch. Get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, Give me my wig, 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 so I can.
Okay, y'all, so I just stuck the wig back down. I didn't do the baby hairs yet, but you get the gist. Stuck. Okay, so what I'm about to do is comb it out, and I'm going to flat iron it and see how this works.
When you see me clap my hands, get my Beyonce fan. This shit ain't going nowhere. Bitch ain't got no hair. Fuck it, she don't care. If you mad, you gon' stay mad. Bad bitches stay bad. Bitch, I just slayed that. Okay, back to it now. Bitch, get my wig, get my wig.
This shit is my jam. This shit is my.
Not too bad, but because you can still comb through it, brush through it. Like, it's not too bad. It's not the worst synthetic that I've had, and it's a blonde. So I'm working with it. Okay, so y'all, I stuck the wig back down. I brushed out the wig. I'm just giving y'all like a mini update on this wig. My new wigs will be here soon. And I have some other stuff in store for y'all. But yeah, so this wig is actually a good wig. If you want a budget, honey, and you want you some blonde, this wig will do it. Just take her off at night so you don't mess her up. Sometimes I don't. But she's still good for me sleeping in it, not sleeping in it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can still get through it. You know, you will get snacks sometimes, but sometimes you won't. If you flat iron this really good, it's going to be back to normal. Like, put that heat on it and make it lay down.
My wig, get it girl, bitch. Get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, bitch. Get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, Give me my wig, 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 so I can whip.
I'm not complaining at all. So, no baby hair left out. I just stuck it down. Yeah, I would like to. I will say this wig is turned into a 7. I will give it a 7 because it's holding up so good. Yes, I will give this wig a 7 now. To earn 1 more point. Okay. Look at that. I like it.
Hey, bad bitch, I just slayed that. Okay, back to it now. Bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, get it girl. Bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, get it girl. Bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, get it girl. Bitch, get my wig, get my wig, get my wig, get it girl, get it girl. Bitch, wear my weave glue, bitch, run me 30 inches, bitch. If your weave new, shake it for these thirsty bitches, bitch. Girl, your weave through, bitch. I see them race tracks, bitch. I got that lace front, you need a lace back.
This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam. This shit is my jam.
You need a lace back.
This shit is my jam.
So yeah, you guys, this wig is still holding up. I still love it. I will still rock it. I'm still gonna put some curls in it. I'm gonna try to curl it tomorrow, just so I can look cute for the weekend, look a little bit different for the weekend. But yeah, this wig is still holding up. I still like it. I just flat ironed it. And yeah, this is my review on, my updated review on this wig. Blondie, this is what I'm gonna call it, Blondie. And then the baby hairs, still. Okay. So if you guys like this video, make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this wig. And I will talk to you guys later. I will probably be posting another video on how I curled it. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And yeah.